next activity so the girls could come in and get their feet dry and warm. Amy! Amy, want another walnut? Amy, find it! Amy's on alert because all the changes with the snow and stuff, but she finally came in here and had her walnut. So, right now, LaFonda's, who is the snack-driven, food-driven hound, even more so than Amy now. LaFonda, look at your tail is going so fast. But they've had all sorts of fun lately, including packing air pocket plastic. They've taken all the brown paper I had for them and put it in their beds and around the turtle mat. So anyway, so with the nice sun, this part of the yard that's gotten the most sun has melted. So once again, we have a monsoon mud fest. And LaFonda ate a quarter of a baby watermelon, and you may be able to see that Amy turned her nose up. She's been turning her nose up to watermelon, although they haven't been that great during the winter. And also, whoops, I just stepped on the packing paper bubble, and turns her nose up to pumpkin sometimes, and butternut squash, all the good things. Maybe too healthy. Whoops. They've been doing that. That used to scare Amy when even one of the toys would honk at her. Right, Fundy? You'll just look all day, all night for snacks, won't you? Yep. All right. I'm going to get you some more paper, too. You got to have your papers. Yep. Got to reinforce those nesting materials. They've really had, yesterday, when we were being drowned in rain, and then the wind was just awful. The gusts were at least at times 50 miles an hour. So they were really freaked out by that. And then the rain. And so we got the big golf umbrella and layered up and went out a couple of times. And we could always find a little protected area where they like to go for privacy. By and in between and behind the chicken coop, and that's a little bit more protected. But oh my gosh, we went through several rounds in here with treats and packing materials and other little activities, filling their other bobber toys and whatnot. You need some more papers, Bundy? You might need some more papers. A lot of times she prefers that paper as a toy more than anything else, although treat toys definitely, are her favorite. So we have many of them, but their absolute favorite, and usually lately. The only way I can get Amy in is to tell her I have walnuts. She's still finding whole peanuts, whole raw peanuts, and I've got some whole rolled oats in there, sprinkled in there. I've got freeze-dried pumpkin bits, and that's one of the healthiest and lowest calorie snacks I can find for them. And it is just pure pumpkin, so anyway. Okay, Fundy. Okay, Fundy. Mom's gonna go get some things done, okay, honey? All right. We'll see you later. We'll see you later. We'll see you later. We'll see you later, Fundy. Okay, signing off from Piggy Romper Room with LaFonda. The great record snow day, DFW, Texas.